So, over the last 18 months, I mean, you've been in incredible form, just as a tight head, URC and internationally. What's behind that? Do you feel like something's clicked in the last 18 months, or has it just been a steady progression that you now feel you're at your peak?
Yeah, obviously I came back to the Bulls from Harlequins, and I think I've been enjoying my rugby, and I think that's one of the most important things is to really enjoy what you're doing. Not that I didn't enjoy it at Harlequins, but obviously being in a South African coaching system, playing in a South African team, the Bulls uh, has got an amazing pack. You play with incredible players like Gerard Steenekamp and Grobbies and Yanni and all of the boys, and everyone is the same as you. Everyone's got the same mentality, the same focus. Everyone wants to dominate in the scrums, and yeah, I think it's been a good season and an enjoyable one. And when you do your job and you can enjoy it, I think it just motivates you a bit more. And obviously, it's a massive honour being in the Springbok squad and getting to test yourself every week with some of the best in the world, scrumming against some of the best in the world. You have to learn and have to get better. Otherwise, you're gonna suffer a bit.